Right, so let's talk about one simple thing that you can do when you're selling your home, right? And you have a lot of people now requesting the property and they want to see it. So number one thing you have to do, you absolutely have to do, is you got to be really flexible with your showings. Now, when selling your home quickly is your goal, it's important to be as accommodating as possible to the buyers, right? This could cause you to have schedule scrambles, right? Sometimes you got to get out of the house last minute because a lot of times buyers want to see it last minute, and the last thing you want to do is not let them in the house, right? Because they could be getting ready to buy a home, and this could be the difference between them buying your home or them buying somebody else's home, right? Now, the other thing you could do to be flexible with your showings is nothing is better than a well-timed, well-organized open house, right? And if you do that right, you can create an easy avenue for a lot of buyers to get into the home all at the same time. Now, it's not always easy, but you got to make sure you take care of business, give them flyers, make sure things are staged, and you have to keep the house clean and tidy while you are selling it. Now, private showings. A lot of buyers are requesting private showings, and you essentially want to make it easier for them to get into the house. If you hire an agent, make sure they put it on lockbox, and if at all possible, this is a mistake some sellers do make. You, under no circumstances, want to be in the house because you don't want to create this feeling of awkwardness or like somebody's watching over them. Even though it is your best intent to try and sell it, leave that up to the professionals, and you just want to make it as easy for them as possible to see the home. And while you are selling the house, keep it clean, keep it neat. And that is an update on how you can sell your home faster by simply making it easier